Hello viewers, my name is Sheikh Nasir. Today we are going to discuss how we use match function in Excel. With the help of match function, we can find out our inventory item position number in the list and check our inventory and reconcile our data. We have inventory list available at here. We will find out our position number in our inventory item. So we will use match function at here. We will write down equal to match parenthesis on. There are some parameters available at here. In lookup value parameter, click on this cell, then press the comma sign and select our inventory list just like this and press comma sign. For exact match, type 0 parenthesis closed and press enter key. Our polybag position number is 8 in this list. Okay, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The polybag position number is 8. Okay, select any other item. We can find out our item position number with the help of match function. I hope you understand what is match function and how we use match function. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video in social media and WhatsApp group. Okay guys, take care.